Hello, little adventurers. Welcome to our wild safari journey. Today we're going to learn the names and sounds of 25 amazing animals you can find on a safari. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have the king of the jungle, the lion. Can you roar like a lion? Let's listen. Next, we have the gentle giant, the elephant. What sound does an elephant make? Let's find out. Here's a tall and graceful giraffe. Did you know giraffes make a humming sound? Let's listen. Look at the stripes on this zebra. Zebras make a barking sound. Listen carefully. Hyenas are known for their laughing sound. Can you laugh like a hyena? Let's hear it. Rhinoceros. Here's a tough and strong rhinoceros. Rhinos make grunting sounds. Let's listen. Cheetah. Check out the fastest animal on land, the cheetah. They make chirping sounds. Let's hear it. Hippo. Hippos love water and make a deep bellowing sound. Can you bellow like a hippo? Let's listen. Leopard. Leopards are sneaky and make a rasping sound. Let's hear how a leopard sounds. Crocodile. Watch out for the crocodile. They make a growling sound. Let's listen. Wildebeest. Here's a wildebeest. They make a mooing sound. Let's hear it. Baboon. Baboons are very chatty and make barking sounds. Let's listen. Gazelle. Gazelles are quick and make a bleating sound. Let's hear it.